Go Bills. Hi, welcome to Unit 2 of Math 7. Congratulations, you made it through Unit 1. Only like 10 more units left. Just kidding. All right, so 2-1, rational and irrational numbers. A rational number, and this is a very important definition. This definition is going to follow you all the way through algebra class when you see me in 9th grade. A rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction. So, rational number, any number that can be written as a fraction. It can be positive or negative. And examples of what rational numbers could be, it includes things like whole numbers. All right, if I have something like 4 can be turned into a fraction by putting it over 1. It includes regular fractions. You know, your typical like 1/4. It also includes mixed numbers. So something like maybe -4. I don't know why I keep using 4. Let's use a different digit. How about -5 and 7/8, right? That's a rational number because that's a fraction. I can write that as a fraction. Whole numbers, fraction, mixed numbers, kind of going right along with mixed numbers would be those improper fractions, where that top piece is bigger than the bottom piece, so something like 74 thirds. Whole numbers, fraction, mixed numbers. And every fraction, like 1/4, can also be written as a decimal. So ending decimals. And those, I mean decimals that come to an end, like 0.5, that comes to an end, 0.7, 4, those come to an end. The last and final little example we're going to throw in here are what are known as repeating decimals. Repeating decimals can be written as fractions. That's what makes them unique. For example, 0.3 repeating is really the fraction 1/3. 0.6 repeating is really the fraction 2/3. So rational numbers include all of those things: whole numbers, fractions, mixed numbers, improper fractions, decimals that end, and repeating decimals. All of those are considered rational numbers. This next little section here of our notes here asks us if 0 is a rational number. Well, if 0 is a rational number, that means it can be written as a fraction. If I take 0, can I turn 0 into a fraction? Well, a fraction bar just means division. So is there something I can divide 0 by to get 0 back? And yeah, just like before with my whole number of 4, I can put 4 over 1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. 0 divided by 1 is also 0. 0 divide 1, 0. Boom. So 0 is a rational number. And just remember, sometimes I write my 0 with the line through it, so we know that we're talking about 0 and not the word O. All right, we'll take a break, and then we'll look at the next chunk in the next video.